Stand by. Homelessville Productions will speak on all stations very shortly. Please stand by.
Yo, yo, yo! This is Homelessville Productions. If you read the video, it is another EAS update. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what you can expect in future. We're not in Volume 3 anymore. Alright, I do apologize of how long it's taking me, like, how long the Volume 3 was, so, we'll be in the update. New Canadian EAS tones. Custom EAS screens, new and improved EAS tones. Like I like the Canadian one. I literally just said it earlier. Better silence. All right, better silence. And oh yeah, new voices for the EAS scenario. There'll be a bunch of new voices, Volume 4, and last but not least, new languages. The languages I'm adding in is Spanish, French, and Russian. So if you're any of I'm also gonna add Chinese too. So if you understand these 4 languages, you're in luck. I'm gonna add them in my next scenarios. Like the video, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's it for now. Like the video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and join my Discord. Thanks.